Hi, good morning.
Did you not find anything?
I was looking to see if good morning, guys. I'm in Walmart getting some groceries. I haven't been here in so long. I'll do, of course, a grocery haul. I'm here, and then I have to go by Smith's to get a few things. And I know what's going on with the world, but number one, I'm gonna say this. There's just some things you need from the big box stores that, you know, I know I'm for one am not willing to pay more money to go to like a regular supermarket to get. And number two, they don't have them most of the times. And number three, I guess the biggest thing for me is I get the whole situation, but they really don't have a choice. Oh, no worries. I'm sorry, guys. What I was saying is we can't blame these stores. They are being given an order, a directive, and will be fined, and it will hurt, you know, their business. So if they didn't want to do those initiatives, they wouldn't have. So obviously they were on board, but blame the folks some people voted for, and not them. So that's all I'm going to say about that. And we're going to keep it moving. No worries. I do want this game bathroom one though. Yeah, these are nice for your bathrooms. Yeah, so that's pretty much all I'm going to say about that. Y'all know we don't get political on here or anything like that, but just in case I have somebody new, just letting you know where I stand on it. And we don't need to discuss it any further. To each his own. We do what's best for you and your convictions. Me, I'm leaving it to God and praying on it and getting the things that I need for our family. So anyway, gosh, I need a big bottle of vinegar, but I keep running into these small bottles. Cleaning all-purpose vinegar. No, I don't need this one. I need the distilled one. Okay. What else do we need, fam? Let's see. I think I need some cleaner. I'm gonna do a nice big stock up soon. Just getting the things I kind of need for now. Definitely need some Clorox. Y'all, for once I don't hear any music in here. That's weird. Let's see. The Sentiva sprays. Oh, here we go. They smell so good. This is one of my favorite ones. This coconut. What is it? Coconut and water lily. This is one of my favorite ones to get. So I think I'm done. No, I got it. I need to find this bleach before I forget. I think it's in the food aisle. It's not the cleaning vinegar I need. Is it? No. Okay. Is it the cleaning vinegar? No. I think I just need the all-purpose one. Okay, I need to get Kobe some dental sticks as well. Oh my gosh, let's see. Some dental sticks. Hi fam, I am home and we're gonna do a really quick grocery haul. The total was like $4.20 or something like that. I went to 2 stores. I still have to go to Costco, and that's probably gonna be sometime in this week. I don't know what day, but it ain't gonna be today. Anyway, let's start over here. I got 2 berry punch, 2 fruit punch, and 1 peach. I am out of these plugins. I'm also out of Bath and Body Works, so maybe I'll get that sometime within the next couple weeks. But I have the white sage and mahogany, and then I got these. I love these for the pantry, or like the bathrooms that don't have outlets in like the toilet area. So if you have that separate area in your bathroom where you have the water closet, these are great in there, and also your regular closet. So over here, I couldn't decide which trail mix to get hubby, so I got him both. This is the omega-3. It has dried cranberries, walnuts, pepitas, almonds, and pecans. And he definitely loves honey roasted peanuts or cashews, so I got him this. And this is nut and honey. This is the first time I've seen this one. So it's a blend of honey roasted peanuts, sesame sticks, butter toffee, peanuts, honey roasted almonds, and honey roasted cashews. So he should really like that one. I got a 2-pack of Dove, and this is the first time I saw these, so I wanted to try the smaller pack, the Dove anti-stress bars. And this is the coconut cream that I use on my hair. I always wet my hair before I put this on, and the water just dries my hair out. So I found this rice water that is nourishing for your hair. It has forbidden black rice water, biotin, saw palmetto, and ceramide. So this is supposed to be hydrating for your hair, especially as I bleach it. So I'm going to be trying that. I'll let you know how that works. And I got a lattice apple pie. I'm going to make a roast for dinner, so I might pop this pie in there for later on. Dessert, I know I got another one. Things are not in order, guys. I literally just took it out of the bag and put it wherever. So here is ground turkey. I don't buy ground beef. I use ground turkey. A beef poke kielbasa. Mini powdered donuts for hubby, and these are 2 cream cheese and 1 apple Danish. I send 1 in hubby's lunch, and then I also like to eat these with coffee. And I just got a case of fruit punch. Over here we've got some bananas, 2 things of tuna, a thing of goldfish. I'm going to be making breakfast burritos for hubby and putting them in the freezer. I don't know if I'm going to do it today, but within the next couple days, I'm going to do it. So I just got the tortillas. I got some cassava, some regular chips, some spaghetti sauce. That's going to be another meal, spaghetti sometime this week. Got some green grapes. Got some orange pineapple apple juice. Got some Alfredo sauce, 2 boxes of rice pilaf. This was buy one, get one free. I got some French fries. I know there's another one somewhere coming up. I got some swai. This is the fish that we eat and I like to fry. I got some milk. This is for Thai, the men's citrus sandalwood 3-in-1. So it's a shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. I got the grape crystal light this time. I got the Clorox clinging bleach gel. It's for the toilet, but I use it for everything because it has bleach in it. I think you guys saw me grab the sativa, and I also have the Downy April Fresh air freshener. Got some sliced sharp cheddar cheese. Y'all, I forgot that I bought these in Walmart and turned around and bought them in Smith's, but whatever. Snickers. Here's some mixed veggies. Carrots that are for the roast. I got some of the dental chews for Kobe. And I got him some cookies, some green beans, snack mix. And then here we have cranberry grape and cran raspberry. I got a thing of Hot Pockets for hubby's lunch one day. Here's the other French fries. I got some Texas toast for the spaghetti. I got the pot roast. Y'all, $20. Crazy. I got 2 wingettes, 2 packs of wingettes for just some barbecue wings one night. Got some corn muffin mix I may make with, maybe I won't because we're going to do apple pie. Maybe I won't make that tonight. And I was craving basmati rice. Some cheese heads for Thai, pork chops, salmon, some oatmeal cream pie to go in hubby's lunches. Here is the other ground turkey. Broccoli floret. I was listening to the wind, y'all. It's blowing really hard. Brussels sprouts and some Asian style chopped salad. This is some celery for the roast, some chicken breast. So I use some for us, and I also boil some to mix in for Kobe's kibbles. So I stopped buying the fresh pet and just start making his chicken breast and shredding it. I got these 2 Red Baron pizzas. I'm going to pop those in the oven now for us to eat on. Some potatoes for the pot roast, some cheese puffs, some hash browns for the breakfast burritos, some sausage patties, some of my sweet tea and lemonade, and then here's some cereal, vanilla almond special K and cinnamon toast crunch. Let's see what else. I think that was it, you guys. That went so fast because it's literally nothing for that much money. All right, fam, I'm gonna go ahead and put these away, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey, fam, happy Thursday. Is it Thursday? Wait, no. Happy Tuesday. Oh my God, this phone. How's everybody doing? It is almost 3. I didn't do much today. I was feeling kind of icky, but I do want to get... Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay. I do want to get this roast on and do some vacuuming real quick. This is the roast from the grocery haul. So I'm going to go ahead and get that on really quickly. I'm going to brown it in my multi-cooker. Oh, you guys, between this and my new induction, I've been using the heck out of that. Let me wash this off really quickly. Okay.
ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving center views. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you new improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, you applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing a cheddar, All of these women, they not on your level, You like a mix of business and pleasure, You a move body giving center views. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you new improved, but you ain't even flexing. 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 so beautiful without you. Now my skin glows and it shines like glue. I'm pretty without you, pretty without you, pretty without you, pretty without you. I get my beauty sleep without you. No more nicotine turning my hands blue. I'm pretty without you, pretty without you, pretty without you. Feeling lonely was hard, but it was all for the better. Taking care of myself, haven't done that in forever. No mascara under my eyes since you left with your lies. No makeup on my sleeve, now I can't keep it together. I'm so beautiful without you. Now my nails can grow and I bought new shoes. I'm pretty without you, pretty without you, pretty without you, pretty without you. Feeling lonely was hard, but it was all for the better. Taking care of myself, haven't done that in forever. No mascara under my eyes since you left with your...
What do I have? Oh my goodness. All right, hey fam, I had to clear some room out of my camera. It is Wednesday night. I haven't vlogged at all today. I'm about to make some spaghetti for dinner. What did I do today? Nothing. Pay bills. Little laundry. I have some right here that I need to fold and put away. I have some in the dryer and some in the washing machine to go to the dryer. Other than that, guys, I don't have a lot going on. It's been a pretty cloudy, rainy day, which I love when I'm in the house. For that, I don't mind it at all. Trying to get an early start on dinner. It's not really early, it's like 5:30, but I'm trying to jump on it. Like I said, I'm just making spaghetti, so it's pretty simple and to the point. I think I have garlic bread. Hold on, let me check. Oh, cool. I got 4 pieces in here, so I don't need to open that one. That's good. Okay, I had 4 left over from the last time I made it, so that's good. What has everybody been up to? I was just talking to hubby and want to try to work on, maybe I'll work on his light fixture tomorrow. I don't think you guys are going to see that in this video because I need to edit this tonight and tomorrow morning, and I won't be working on it till probably the afternoon, so you'll probably see it in the next one. Maybe, because I still have to order a switch for it. I totally forgot. So I want to do another one of these so I don't have to do like an outlet. Let me show you if you can see it. I don't know. Hold on. Back here, it's just one outlet and then a click on and off switch. And so that's what I put here for that light. That avoids me having to make another hole and do another outlet. So I really, really love that. And so it eliminates one of the plugs, but you can just get one of those strip boxes and have extra plugs like this and plug it into that one, and now you have another 3, so you won't be missing out on anything, and it's super easy to put that one in instead. But oh man. I wasn't gonna do any cooking today, but I don't think I have enough of the roast. I don't think hold on, y'all. I don't think I have enough of the roast that I made last night to stretch. Let me see. I don't know what to do, y'all. What you want to see?